This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Warm welcome to you to issue number 9. Look, I've got the paper there so you can see. Issue 9 of building the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This issue is a slightly more complicated one than the last couple have been, because it really couldn't be any easier, could it? We are building the disc brake system around the wheel and then fitting it to the tyre that we built up over the last couple of issues. So we have a single screw, which we're not going to be using quite yet, but I might as well get it out of the packet while I'm wittering. So we've got a single screw and one spare screw, obviously for keeping safe for later. We are quite simply popping these bits together. Now this has a couple of pins on the inside there that need to line up on there, and that locks that in place like so. Then the outside bit obviously fits on the outside.
Sorry, I don't know
Then
that
the inside, well, without dropping it, that clips in there. Now I quite like the way these fit with a clip rather than a screw. That's just got to line up with that gap there, and it clips in place nicely, securely. Does the job, holds that secure. I quite like it. Then we come to the tricky bit. So we've got to line this up with this. So there's a pin, a notch there, which needs to line up with the notch on there. And then obviously everything else lines up through. So get that to the bottom. It's probably the easiest way of doing it. Line it up, get it on, give it a little wiggle, just a little bit. And that should, I think, be in place. Not sure how far through that needs to go. Let's try taking it off and see. Not coming out very easily, so I'm happy that that's on there in the right place actually. So let's see if the screw is going to fit. Right in the middle there, onto the centre. It is indeed screwing onto something, so it's now no longer trying to escape. So let's get that screw tightened up on there. So that's tightened and still turns, which is always nice with wheels. Then the hubcap is magnetic, which is lovely because it just pops on there. It holds in quite securely, but you can take it off easily if you need to get to it to take the wheel back apart again. So yeah, there we go. That is that ready to be attached wherever it's going to go on to. And another issue is complete. So that's it for the wheel for now. We'll put that aside. We'll put that aside. Get it? I didn't do that deliberately. I won't do it again, I promise. Next time we are starting on the door, which is going to be quite nice. It's always nice to get some bodywork. So looking forward to that. So I shall see you for that very soon. Stick around for that or other part work adventures in between now and then. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.